If you have a Bose Soundlink Micro and want to pair and connect it via Bluetooth to your smart TV for a more comfortable sound experience, here we are to show you how to do that on a Bluetooth speaker. First, you need to take your speaker into pairing mode. For that, make sure it's turned on.
Battery 40%.
If it's currently not connected to any device, it will automatically enter into pairing mode with this blue pulsing LED. Now, if it's already paired to other devices around, just press on this Bluetooth button to take it into pairing mode. On your smart TV, go to Settings, and depending on the TV you have, look for Bluetooth or output devices. In your case, it's Remotes and Accessories. Here, select Pair Accessory. Press OK on this prompt. When Soundlink Micro's name pops up on your TV screen, just press OK on your remote. And from here, select Pair. That's it. Now just go ahead, watch movies, listen to music, or your favorite podcasts using Soundlink Micro as an external Bluetooth speaker. Now at the same time, this Bluetooth speaker can be connected to maximum 2 devices. If your TV is one of them, when you turn off and on the speaker, next time it'll be automatically reconnected to the TV. If you come back to the same Bluetooth section where it's paired to, from here you can either rename, disconnect, or forget the device if you want to. So this is the way you can pair and connect your Bose Soundlink Micro with any smart TV. Thanks for watching.